So row 10 shows value of initial investment and yearly paid values from company to the investor. Now I calculate cumulative total payments that is returned me from to the company. Cumulative initial invest will be same as in cell reference B10. Active cell reference B11, enter equal sign, click cell reference B10, press enter key. To calculate cumulative total payments of first year, add the return value of first year to the value of initial investment. Active cell reference C11, enter equal sign, click cell reference B11, enter addition operator, click cell reference C10, press enter key. Again active this cell, press mouse and drag to right. Select these columns and change the width of these columns. Double click. Cumulative total payments can be calculated by one click. Select these cells. Press delete key. Select these cell references range. Click quick analysis tool. Click totals. Then click on running. The result is same as I had calculated before. These calculation shows I will get first profit from to the company on the original investment at the end of 9th year. At the end of 15th year, I will get $293. Company will return yearly payments from year 1 to year 15, and I will get extra profit on the original investment from year 9 to year 15 from to the company.